Okay, hello guys. So, sorry if any of you entered offers for my membership giveaway, but now I'm going to be entering that giveaway. So if you want to try and take the code, here's the code and proof. I never used it. I just opened it because I don't know why, but I love to be curious about codes. And I wanted to make sure it actually had a barcode and like nothing was rinsed off or anything, so. Okay. Confirm. Alright, play now. Hopefully it's actually been, hopefully my members, yay! 10 diamonds, 6,000 gems, a ferret couch, ferret maze table, ferret lamp. Oh, I'm getting a cute little ferret. It's so cute. Those ferret couches are worth like longs. Let's name it Water Ferret. I'm gonna name it Water Ferret. Because water is like my favorite word because I love water. I don't know why, I just love water. I'm awkward. Sorry, I'm awkward. What? You can't name it Ferret? Are you Water Gal? Adopt this a bit. It's so cute. Who is this? Is this Sparkle Star? No, it's Tiger. Ooh. No, I'm so not trading a ferret couch. Nothing, just recording. Oh wow, I got a lot. Ooh, 16 diamonds. Recording cause I added more members. Shout out to her. Okay, what? A month is longer than 95 days. Hold on. I mean, a month is long. Yeah, 3 months is longer than 99 days. Oh, wait, no, it's not, I guess. Okay. Well, let's see. I really don't want my ferret couch to get scammed because it's like the. Okay, all she wanted was a shout out. That's rude. Because, like, this is pretty much the rarest thing I have. They're worth, like, long collars and then stuff like that, so. I have a feeling this chair is gonna go beta, so I'm kind of holding on to it. So this ferret couch is an unreleased item, and to get it you have to buy a membership because it is unreleased. I don't know who invented they went up to long collars or whatever, but that's just what they're worth now, so I'm gonna go trade her. Claire. I'm gonna trade Claire my ferret couch. Wait, I might could get the red long though. Or the black long. Okay, let's see. What? The ferret couch is worth a long by itself. That's just what people are telling me, so I'm just repeating what people have told me. See, I'll even give her some proof. There we go. Maybe if I trade her this. Oh, I flash traded her. She was trying to accept. Ooh, I'm so going back. She wants to trade. Oh my gosh, she wants to trade. What? What the ferret couch is worth along by itself. Ugh! I'm gonna chase her until she give it to me. Cause give it to me, I'm worth it. Alright, let's go buy something from the diamond shop. Give it to me, it's worth it. I don't know what to buy. I think I'm gonna get I don't want the bouncy house that much. I kind of want the bouncy house, and with my 10 diamonds, get... I don't know, what should I get with my 10 diamonds? Let's see, what's gonna be the next thing that's... Battle for the bacon. Are you kidding me? They came back. Oh no. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get the owl. I don't know what to get, the kangaroo or the owl. Because those are the only ones they don't have. So I'll get the owl. I'm gonna name it. Dancing. I want something cute. Dancing. Dancing the owl. Okay, you want me to show you how to become Teen Only's buddy? So you do this. This is his new username. You say Mr. Teen. You type in Mr. Teen. You say this. Mr. Teen. Mr. Teeth. I remember you said you would buddy me on your other account. On your other AJ. Uh-oh. So I think I might go to the diamond shop and pick up a few things or so. But right now I'm gonna decorate my owl. I want a glitched lasso, cause yeah, sorry, we have an alarm or whatever, so whatever you wanna call it. There we go. Oh my gosh, I love the owl. So I'll wait 4 more weeks, and then I'll get the animal I want. Sell at Maiden. Okay, I don't care about sales. So anyway, where were we? We were going to Mr. Teen's den, right? Oh wow, I dropped from 4 buddies. I've lost 4 buddies. Wow. Oh, I forgot. I need to block her. Who wants to know how to become Mr. Teen's buddy? Who wants to know how to become Mr. Teen's buddy? He always asking to know. Okay. Jag him and say, I remember we were buddies before, so please buddy me back since we were. I know this is kind of cheating, but it's teen only. I want to be his buddy and everything. Alright, well, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching with UK Anna.